Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can add more mods to the Samsung camera on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. Now first, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen open up the camera app. In here, tap on the more button at the bottom here in the menu, so tap on more. Then to add in more mod, tap on the add button. Then select the mod that you want to use. So here, let's say we want to add the food mod into the camera. We can drag it down, or you can tap on it. So here we can tap and hold and then just drag it down. You can't simply just tap on it, it won't work. So we need to drag it down. So here we've got single take as well. So we drag it down. And in here you can also readjust your mod by simply touch and hold and then drag it to the left or to the right hand side to readjust the position of your new mod. And then tap on saved, and that's it. So now you can see there are addition mods at the bottom here that you can select in camera, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.